Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Roblox games on your smartphone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Roblox. So let me select, okay. But we are not going to create from app. We simply need to open any browser and search here roblox.com, okay, and then we need to open the first website, and here we need to click on continue in browser. Okay, and you can see that I already log into my account. Then you need to click on create. Okay, by here you can see that Roblox Studio is available on Windows and Mac, but how you can use in your smartphone, you simply need to click on three dots on the top right, and then you need to click on desktop side. Okay, and here you can see that I open an experience, and here you can create places, anything that you want. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.